Alright, here we go, everybody. This bar right here holds your lower A-arm nice and tight and forward on the GTX, the 67 here. I got those all in. I got all new bushings. Everything's greased. You can see everything's ready to roll and bolted up underneath. Here's the holes. Got your torsion bars. Now you got to put these parts on and have it lifted so the A-arms droop straight down. You can slide everything all together, slip the frame back, and put it in line with the 4 holes and bolt it up. These bars right here I'm explaining are what torsion it. You don't need springs on the front. As they twist, it keeps the front end up in the air. These particular two are for a big block. You can see it hooks right into the back of it. I keep saying A-arm, but it's the lower control arm. The A-arm's the upper arm that's shaped like an A. That's the lower jaw, the lower control arm. Alright, just wanted to make that clear in case you hear me say that. And it slips all together, and as you compress them up with the weight of the car, you can eventually hook the upper ball joint, or you have to use an engine hoist and lift up on the A-arm and put enough weight in the car to be able, you know, one at a time to get it to where you can assemble it. We're going to get the front and rear rims replaced with the 5-star, the Jegs 5-star. They're black, and the center has like a silver or aluminum colored where the bolt pattern is. SSRs get the 10 by 15s for the back and 4 by 16 for the front. That's how we'll roll. Everything assembled. What we can do is focus on getting the actual tie rod arms and everything in here. There's a bolt the K-frame. 4 washers are in, but in here underneath they don't fit properly in the back side of the frame. So what we do is have the washer, you know, rounded. You nip just each side off of it so it can move back and forth the hair. The hole in the bottom side, we'll bolt this all in, and then we'll put the front end parts on it, gearbox, and steering column. So at least we can steer and move this thing, and obviously upper A-arm and spindles, wheels. Next month we should be able to afford some new wheels. Let me get some SSRs. It's all fingerprinted and really dirty. Still full of grease. Still in the process over here to put the upper ball joint together. Alright, get back at it. Alright. We obviously need to upgrade the disc. The original. See? Painted. Got that rubber on your neck. Back. seats got all new bushings. The next video will probably be I gotta get in the back and get all the bushings out of all that axle and the leaf spring and all that. We need to get that painted here too. So like I say, there's flaws on everything you do. This isn't supposed to be a perfect car. Come out pretty decent, and we're not trying at all. We're just basically trying to throw this one together and go ahead and hit it with paint here and there and make it look good. And it'll be, the engine will have, you know, obviously like a chrome valve cover, stuff like that, aluminum polished. So you're gonna have where you're having a little bit of silver, black, purple block, stuff like that, because this car will be for my daughter when she gets older, basically. That's why the purple is incorporated instead of like silver or something like that. The purple's actually because my daughter wants the car when she gets old. So there you go. All right. Long story short, we reworked these tie rods. They're all good and still nice and stiff and accept grease and work well. Ain't all loose or nothing like that. The threads didn't want to work so hot, so we did that. Looks like this tube's a little beat up and crooked. We're gonna wind up buying a new set of tie rod tubes and inners and outers. Probably get a whole kit, but this is what we'll put on because it works really well and goes together still. As you can see, the difference in between the pump and the side. Pump's just got paint on it and there's no glamour clear. There's a huge difference.